Darling, you send me. I know you.
I really hate this top and I don't have my hair down because you can see my bra. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Lush haul and a BEAUTYBAY haul. So if you're not sure, BEAUTYBAY is kind of like a Sephora. They like sell brands. So yeah, I'm going to jump right into it. I think I'm going to do BEAUTYBAY first because I have more stuff from BEAUTYBAY. So in BEAUTYBAY I got makeup, I got foundation, I got glitter, I got skincare. So I'm going to jump right in because I'm so excited. So the first thing I got and I kind of went on to buy is a facial serum. So this is the Power 10 formula GF effector with, I don't know, it's the brand, it's Skin, and it's 10 or something. I'm not really quite sure. There's a lot of words on here. It's in a really nice blue bottle, so it's really nice packaging, and it's like the little dropper thing. So I have actually tested this out because I didn't want to like rave about a product that I've never even tried, even though I'm just excited about it. So I'm gonna go onto the website and see what it says about it. So it says a moisture boosting, I can't say that word, ideal for dehydrated skin types, created to deeply hydrate, and it's the Skin Power 10 formula GF effector is ideal for tackling dry and irritated complexions. Enhanced with a blend of natural ingredients, this unique quick absorbent serum provides an intense hit of hydration to smooth and restore. And it also says it provides antioxidants and moisture to the skin. Because I've tried this out for like a week and a half, I can say that that's all right. It is extremely good. My skin was dehydrated, especially when I came back from traveling so much. If you didn't know, I went to England for a week, and then I also went to Paris with my boyfriend for a week. In the space of 3 weeks I had those two trips, so I was traveling for 2 weeks, and my skin was awful. It was dry, it was sensitive, it was breaking out, I had little lumps all over it. And I tried that for a week and a half since I got home, and my skin is completely cleared up and all the dryness is gone. I also used to have a dry patch right here, I don't know why, and I could never ever get rid of it. It was just a dry little circle of skin. That sounds so disgusting, but like it wasn't that disgusting, and it actually got rid of that already. Like, it's completely smooth. It says that you're supposed to put this on and then moisturize your face, like cleanse your face, put this on and moisturize your face then with your moisturizer, and I've done that as well, and your face is just so smooth. But you could even just put this on because it works the exact same. It feels extra moisturized even without the moisturizer. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this already. I can tell that I'm already going to go back and get a new one. And the price of it was, I feel like I'm out of breath. The price of this was $15.20, so that is like $15.20 in euros, so that is not that bad at all. Like, it's really good for a serum. And it was the first ever serum I tried as well. I didn't want like an anti-aging one just because I'm 19. I wanted one that hydrates, so this is perfect. The next thing I got is the foundation, and this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and it's in 01 Creamy Vanilla. I've heard a lot of people rave about this foundation, and I'm honestly so excited. Is it going to focus? Yeah, here it is. The packaging is so pretty as well. So this was $15.60, so this was just 40 cents dearer than the serum. I'm really excited to try this, and I got it in a lighter color because if you've watched some of my other videos, I bought the Born This Way foundation and it's just a little bit too dark for me. So I kind of got this in the middle of, you know, it's a bit lighter for me. The next thing I got is concealer, and I got the LA Pro Girl concealer. This is the first thing I've ever tried from this brand. It's actually the first thing I've tried from all the brands I got. And this is the Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer, and this is $4.70. So for a concealer for $4.70, that is so cheap. I got this in the shade Porcelain, so this probably is the lighter shade, I'm not sure. So I'm super excited to try this. So in the video where I'm testing out the foundation, I'll also be testing out the concealer. The next product was also $4.70, and these are Festival Face Chunky Festival Glitter. So here it is. It's just focusing on my jumper. Oh, now it's focusing. So it's like a coppery colour. It's so beautiful, and it's like chunky glitters. It's in the shade Copper Tan. And I just thought that this was such a beautiful colour, and because like summer months and festivals are coming up, I thought this would be so nice to have like highlight here on your eyes or whatever. I thought this was so cool, and it would make some amazing creative looks with it. So I'm so excited to try this out. I probably won't test this out in the same video, but I'll probably do a separate like festival makeup look. So yeah. The last product I got was a brush, and this is a Morphe M148 brush. So if you can see by the packet, it's the tiniest little brush ever. I'm not really sure what I got this for actually. I can't tell if it was for eyebrows or for nose contour, because I did want to get a nose contour brush, but it's tiny. I must have thought it was bigger or something. So that brush, Morphe brushes are one of my favourite brands of brushes, and this was only $3.70, so that was the cheapest thing. And I think it is the small brush and stuff, but I think for a high quality makeup brush, that is a really good price. I feel like all the things here that I got today were really reasonably priced. Like, they were really cheap. So yeah. The next brand that I shopped for is LUSH. So I actually went into LUSH for the first time ever. I know, what am I doing with my life? I'm always watching LUSH hauls, but I've never actually like gone into a LUSH shop, just because we don't have them where I live. I don't even know what I went in for LUSH for. I have really sensitive skin, so I didn't really want to get a bath bomb just in case. And we don't have a bath in my house. We only have a bath in Dad's house, so I'd have to use it within that week. So I wanted some skincare stuff, so I got the facial cleanser. So this is like, I don't know, going into LUSH is really weird, because like everything is in these boxes and you have to actually like read everything individually to know what you want. You know, like the face masks and the things, like they look so similar, like I just didn't know what I was looking for. So this is the Ultra Effective Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser, a rich, soft, oily cleansing cream that cares gently for all skin types, invented by them for them. This is the LUSH Flanders #1 Desert Island product. So I did try this out, and it's like, oh, how do I explain it? It's like a waxy kind of creamy texture, and it's oily, and it has like, I forget what the lady said. She said it was like beeswax or something is in it, so like you can't just wash it off with water, you have to wash it off with like a toner and like a cotton pad. I only tried it out once, but like it was really nice on my face after. It felt so like cleansed but hydrated. Like, you know how sometimes you cleanse your face and like all the moisture is just completely gone? That it's not like that at all. So I'd love to try, what I'm gonna do actually is gonna try this thing and then try putting this on after, because I feel like that would be like instant moisturize. So the next thing I got is a mask, and this one is like the self-preserving mask. It's not the fresh one, because I wanted to like have it for a long time. Well, not a long time, but longer than the fresh ones. But when I go back, I'm definitely gonna get a fresh one. So this is the mask of I am gonna butcher pronouncing this, so I'll just show you. So this is this one here, and I'll open it up. It's a really like runny texture, but it has little, I don't know, like little bits in it to like exfoliate. This is, I wish you could actually just smell it. This is inspired by mint chocolate chip ice cream. So if you can kind of see, it's like a mint and then the little chocolate chips, there's like little brown things in it, and it smells exactly like mint chocolate chip ice cream. Like, I was actually shocked when I smelled it. I just got it on my pants. It has a sticker on it to say like who's it made by, and I thought that was really cool, because I seen Adeline Moran's vlog and she was like putting these stickers on and they had little things, and I just thought it was so cool. It's getting everywhere. So I've used this, I think I've used it 3 times, and it's like barely, I've like layered it on and there's still loads left, so that's kind of why I wanted to get this self-preserving mask. It's also kind of cool because it's a face and body mask. I can't imagine like putting this on my body though, or on my back. It says here that it can be used on your face or your back in times of trouble, but like, how would you even like, why would you put that on your back? I don't know. So because it was my first time in Lush, the woman came over and she was like, can I help you? And I was like, yes please, I'm so confused, help me, I don't know what I want. And she advised me with those 2 products. Well, I did want the mask anyway, but she advised me with the right cleanser because I had a cleanser for like oily skin or something, and I didn't even notice. And then she gave me 2 little samples. So this is the Dream Cream sample. That's just a cream like for really sensitive skin, because I mentioned that I wanted to get a bath bomb but I had really sensitive skin, and and my dad was there with me and he was like, she has eczema. And then she was like, oh, this cream is supposed to be amazing for eczema, so she gave me that. And then she also gave me, I wanted a new moisturizer but I wasn't really sure, so she gave me this. Kind of smells disgusting, not gonna lie, but this is a Skin Drink facial moisturizer, and it's just a normal moisturizer. And then the Dream Cream is like a body moisturizer, also for eczema, kind of like irritated skin. So I was really happy with these 2 little moisturizers samples, just because like you can always go back and like, you know, if you like them or whatever. She did fill them like right up to the top, which is really nice of her, and she was like really helpful. So I can't remember how much things they were. This one I think was around like 8, I think, and then this one was around 6. The facial cleanser was 6, mask was 8. So it wasn't actually badly priced, like it was a good deal. And that's pretty much it. I was really impressed with the products when I did test them out when I went home. So that's all for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I definitely did. And I'm so excited to test out like the foundation and concealer and stuff. And yeah, I've really tested out everything else, to be honest. I've tested out all the skincare products. I might do a new skincare routine, being that I have like all different products now, and I feel like my skin has just completely changed lately, like compared to my last skincare routine. I can link it up in the cards if you want, but my skin has completely like gotten better, got clearer and stuff since then. So if you want to see a new skincare routine, make sure you let me know down below, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.